Here's a pair of the Soundcore 2 Bluetooth speakers. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Samsung Smart TV via Bluetooth. So the first thing we should do is put these speakers into pairing mode. We'll know that these are in pairing mode when the light here is blinking blue, blue, blue. So let's first turn these speakers on. Let me press and hold that power button for a few seconds. Just wait till it turns on. Once it turns on, wait for another few seconds and just wait to see if the light here is blinking blue, blue, blue. So mine's blinking blue, mine's in pairing mode, that's what we want. If you have a solid blue light on here, then you're probably connected to the device that's near you. You can go ahead and disconnect the Bluetooth or delete it from the Bluetooth list on that device. Or if you have a solid blue light, you can manually put this in a pairing mode as well. Just simply press on that Bluetooth button once and just wait for it to start blinking blue. Once it's blinking blue, it's in pairing mode. We can shoot over to our Samsung TV, go directly to your settings. You can click on the settings button on your remote. If not, click on the home page on the remote and then navigate, just go left until you see settings down there. We'll select on settings and then make sure all settings is highlighted. Go ahead and select that. Left pane here, we're going to go down to sound. Let's select that. And now we're going to select, it says sound output is currently going to my TV speakers, but we wanted to come out of these Bluetooth speakers. Let's select sound output. And now we're going to go down to Bluetooth speaker list, select that. And now you can see I have a bunch of other headphones and earbuds that are paired to this TV here, but just keep going all the way down here. And you can see it says searching. That little spinny thing is searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me, which is like 30 feet Bluetooth range or so. It's still in the pairing mode, it's blinking blue. It did pop up, it says needs pairing. You can see down there, Soundcore 2 needs pairing, so let's go ahead and pair it. Let's select it, select pair and connect. And then give it 1 second here. Come on, what's taking so long here? Oh, there we go. We're connected, ready to go. Let me make sure the volume works here. Yep, volume markers work. Anyway, we're connected, ready to go. Now, if you had issues connecting these, you can always factory reset these speakers. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.